Hola, muy buenos días. Mi nombre es Mario Barragán y represento con orgullo Amador Renovation. Nos especializamos en construcción en exteriores, roofing, siding, en gutters, interiores, remodelación, pisos, drywall, y nos puede contactar al 402-714-0769 con Mario Barragán. Sí, y los invitamos al sur de Omaha a que sea parte de nuestro crecimiento en la comunidad hispana. Es un lugar seguro, conozca nuestra cultura, nuestra gente y contribuya al crecimiento de nuestros negocios, de nuestra comunidad. Son todos bienvenidos, los esperamos.
Hello, I'm Cesar Garcia. I'm the Executive Director of Canopy South, a nonprofit organization working on the revitalization of neighborhoods in South Omaha. It's a great place within our own city. It's perhaps the most diverse community that you will find here in Omaha. Full of culture, full of history, full of families willing to thrive and having the opportunity to call this their home. I want to invite you to come to South Omaha with your friends, with your family, with your coworkers, and experience the different cuisine, the different ethnicities, the different opportunities that you have to immerse within a very wide culture here in South Omaha. Welcome to South Omaha, a family-friendly community. Los esperamos.